When people ask how meditation changes a life, I invite them to imagine a cup of muddy water. If you keep stirring it, the mud never settles. But if you set it down slowly, the water clears on its own. Meditation is setting the cup down. It is not escaping life. It is meeting it without constant stirring. I remember my first days in the monastery. I thought meditation meant controlling every thought. But an elder said, "Your task is not to stop the river, it is to watch it flow." At first, I lasted only a few minutes before my mind raced. But each day I returned to the cushion, and something gentle began to happen. A spaciousness, a quiet strength beneath the noise. Daily quiet does not require a mountain temple. It asks only for your presence. A single breath in the morning before checking your phone. 5 slow minutes in a parked car before walking into work. A pause between bites of dinner. Each is a seed of stillness. Modern life insists we hurry. Notifications flash, deadlines press, the world calls louder and louder. But when you choose a few minutes of silence, you train your mind to return to what is real. Over time, the chatter softens. You become less reactive, more patient, more aware of the simple miracle of being alive. Meditation will not make problems disappear. It will help you meet them with clarity. The difficult coworker, the restless child, the sudden change, you greet them like a steady tree greets the wind, rooted, flexible, unbroken. If you wish to begin, start small. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice the breath moving in and out, like waves on a quiet shore. When thoughts appear, smile at them and let them pass, like clouds across a summer sky. 2 minutes is enough. Tomorrow, try 3. Let habit grow like a garden, 1 seed, 1 breath at a time. After weeks, you may notice subtle shifts. A calmer heartbeat in traffic, a kinder tone in difficult conversations, a deeper sleep at night. These are the quiet gifts of a daily practice. Remember, meditation is not about becoming someone else. It is the art of being fully who you already are, beneath the noise, beneath the hurry, beneath the stories. Lay down the muddy cup. Let the water clear. In that clarity, you will meet a peace that does not depend on circumstances. That is the change that changes everything. If this message brings you peace, please like the video, subscribe for weekly wisdom, and share it with someone who longs for calm today.